Ever walked into your kitchen and thought, where did all this stuff even come from? One minute, your counters are clear, and the next, they look like a home goods store exploded. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 genius kitchen organization ideas that will not only save you space but also save your sanity. And trust me, by the time we hit number 7, you'll be ready to reorganize your entire kitchen from top to bottom. Let's start with something that sounds simple but works like magic: the Lazy Susan revolution. If you've ever found yourself stretching and straining just to grab that one jar hiding in the farthest corner of your cabinet, this is your solution. A Lazy Susan turns deep, awkward spaces into accessible treasure troves. Just give it a spin, and boom, your soy sauce, olive oil, and honey are right in front of you. No more losing items behind the pasta boxes or buying duplicates because you forgot what you had. Now, let's talk drawers. Have you ever opened one and felt personally attacked by the mess inside? Forks tangled with chopsticks, spoons hiding under potato mashers. It's chaos. That's where adjustable drawer dividers come in. These aren't those flimsy plastic trays that slide around every time you open the drawer. I'm talking about sturdy, customizable dividers that create a perfect spot for every single utensil. It's so satisfying, you might actually start opening your drawers just to admire your own handiwork. For our third idea, we're going vertical, literally. Baking sheets, cutting boards, and cooling racks shouldn't be stacked like an unstable game of Jenga. Installing vertical dividers in your cabinets turns a wobbly pile into an organized collection where everything stands upright, easy to grab, and impossible to knock over. It's like turning your bakeware into a little library, except instead of checking out books, you're checking out cookies. Now, here's an idea that instantly makes your kitchen look more expensive and more organized. Clear bins. This one's a favorite among professional organizers for a reason. Using clear bins in your fridge, freezer, and pantry lets you see exactly what you have without rummaging. Group snacks together, store sauces in one bin, and corral meal prep ingredients so dinner comes together in minutes. Bonus: your fridge starts looking like it belongs in a home magazine, which, let's be honest, makes opening it way more satisfying. Next up, the over-the-door secret weapon. Most of us think of doors as just doors, but behind every pantry or cabinet door is untapped storage potential. By adding an over-the-door rack, you can instantly create space for spices, foil, cleaning supplies, or even snacks. It's like finding a hidden room in your house, except instead of furniture, it's full of hot sauce. Speaking of finding space where you didn't think it existed, let's move to undershelf baskets. These little wonders attach to the bottom of an existing shelf, giving you a whole new layer of storage. You can use them for mugs, small plates, or even fruit and snacks. It's the storage equivalent of adding a bonus floor to your home. No construction required. Alright, here it is, the game changer. The one that will have your friends saying, "Why don't I have one of these?" Meet the rolling cart. Slim, sleek, and endlessly useful. It slides into that awkward space between your fridge and the wall or tucks neatly beside your counter. Fill it with spices, oils, or coffee-making essentials. When you need it, roll it out. When you're done, push it back and enjoy your clean, open space. It's like having a personal kitchen assistant on wheels. Now, what if I told you your fridge could do more than just keep things cold? Enter magnetic magic. By attaching magnetic shelves or spice racks to the side of your fridge, you're creating storage that literally sticks around. Suddenly, your paper towels, spices, or cooking utensils are right there, within arm's reach, without taking up precious counter space. Here's a simple tip with a huge payoff: label everything. Dry goods in the pantry? Label them. Leftovers in the fridge? Label them. That mystery container you've been ignoring for a week? Yeah? Label that too. Not only will labels prevent you from accidentally sprinkling powdered sugar into your pasta sauce, but they'll also make your kitchen look effortlessly put together. It's a small habit that makes a massive difference in keeping your space functional and beautiful. And finally, the easiest yet most powerful habit you can start tonight, the 5-minute reset. Before bed, set a timer and spend just 5 minutes putting things back in their place. Wipe down the counters, return the spices to their spot, and make sure the sink is empty. Tomorrow morning, you'll walk into a kitchen that feels fresh, calm, and ready for the day. It's like giving your future self a little gift every single night.